All right, big news coming in from Bengal. Remember, the aftermath of the violence and the arson is for all to see. But the union minister's big claim on the violence that we have been reporting about, Sukanto Majumdar says, I quote him here first, witnesses said riot's call was made on loudspeakers. From the masjid loudspeakers, there was a call to congregate, collect, and that is what led to the violence. Sukanto Majumdar is claiming that the PFI, though otherwise, remember, has been also banned in several states by the Home Ministry, was active in Murshidabad ahead of the violence. Now that an SIT team has been constituted by the Bengal police, will we have some, at least, updates on what exactly happened on the day in Murshidabad? Let's listen in first to Sukanto Majumdar.
हो सकता है अंसारुल बांग्ला से लेकर जमात से लेकर सब यहाँ पे एक्टिव हो सकते हैं और ममता बनर्जी अलाउ करती है लगातार 5 सालों तक इनकी एक्टिविटी चलाने के लिए। पीएफआई का भी एक्टिविटी मुर्शिदाबाद में थी उस समय, आपको जैसे मैंने बताया, अभी भी वीडियो अवेलेबल है कि पीएफआई वाज एक्टिव देयर, पीएफआई ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ए कैंप देयर एंड द सेरेमोनियल ending ceremony and at the ending ceremony of that camp the TMC local MLA Maninul Islam, he was present, and when the PFI was banned throughout the country, lots of people were arrested, those were related to PFI, but no one in the state of West Bengal was arrested by the West Bengal police. So that's why an indirect indulgence is there from the administration of the state.
India Today's Suryagini Roy has been tracking all the latest coming in from Bengal. Suryagini, good morning. Tell me more about this claim by the BJP leader, because eventually the TMC claiming that the BJP incited violence. So how is then BJP coming forth and with what evidence to say loudspeakers were the ones used for the congregations to then indulge in violence and PFI was involved?
Well, the entire, the allegation is a huge, it's a big one. And the SIT that has been formed, as you rightly mentioned, Pooja, has to find out what led to this particular, violence that was orchestrated in Murshidabad. Now, there's another point, that we had found last week itself, earlier this week itself, that there was a role of the SDPI. The SDPI was, instigating youths in this.
We'll come back to in just a short while. There appears to be some audio issue there. Sukanto Majumdar, meanwhile, claiming that there were loudspeakers from the mosques that were used with a call that was made. And that's when the congregations came together on the streets and led to the violence. And remember, one is the damage of the public properties. Then targeted attacks charge coming in by the Hindus of the area who said they were forced to flee. The manner in which mob came and burned down their home, shop, livelihood and attacked them. So that's the big story coming in. Sukanto Majumdar has also met the DGP with the victims of Murshidabad, and we've been reporting consistently because many of these victims, especially Hindus, have taken shelter in nearby areas. For example, in Malda, where refugee camps have been set up as well. TMC claims Murshidabad arson violence happened because BJP incited it.